Alright, so we got the Perl script is running. Now we got to open up Bracket Trader. Open that up. It's going to make a buzzer sound. It's real annoying. There it is. Bracket Trader is going to open up, and let's see. You don't want to show the account number here. Make it easier. It's going to open up with the DOM already up. We're already connected to IB, which is good. Data source is IB Live. Good, good. It's got the simulator up and running right now. Okay. You're going to go to Preferences, External Orders, Third Party ATS Entry Only. Do you really want to activate ATS? Yes. Signals are going to be sent to, you know what, that's incorrect. It needs to be sent to JTS/Bracket Trader. So that means I probably have the directory for Bracket Trader wrong. Let's check it out here. Let's see. My computer, C drive, JTS, Bracket Trader, signals. Okay, that's good. Open. Good. Text. You're gonna name it. What are we gonna name it? ES. Enter. ES.text. Is that what Boogster had? Let me check it out. Pretty sure that's what he wrote. Go down his code. I just had it set up a couple hours ago. Blah, 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 blah. Signals / the ticker symbol you want, which is ES, and then .text. So we are good. So hit start. It's monitoring for the signals now. And then this is the tricky part. This is where you spend all your time with the trade management. I want to set up a 2-point stop. The default contract size, I want to go ahead and go with 2 contracts. I'm going to go with 2 points. Let's go with a 2-point target on the first contract, and then a 3-point target on the second one. The exit mode is going to be let's go ahead and make a 2-step exit mode. That means it's going to exit one contract, scaling out. And then let's see, I want to set the break even after the first target's hit. I want the second contract to be moved to break even, and I can go even further with that. For each additional tick it goes past my first exit, I can have the trailing stop initiated, and I can have it move up by a 1/4 point. I'm going to turn that on, and right now it's just on the simulator. I'm going to go ahead and click live. So hopefully I get a signal here pretty soon. You guys can see an order sent to IB. Enable live mode, yes. So we are live. Orders will be sent to IB if a signal goes off. Okay. Make sure your symbol is ES and that the ATS is monitoring for signals. Bracket Trader has some really cool features. You can check out your trade statistics for each trade. It'll tell you the how long you're in each trade, P&L, exit price, entry price, maximum adverse excursion, basically how far it's gone against you, and then the maximum favorable excursion, which tells you how far it went in your favor. And this will all fill up as soon as we get a trade go off here. So, just looking at the signal, we would have got a signal right there on our chart, but let's look here. Then alerts were disabled. You make sure that that's not clicked. I mean, if you want to have this ATS running, you got to have that unchecked, or else I would have had a buy signal there, and I would have just got about a point or two, you know. So make sure that's off. So Bracket Trader is running, and Interactive Brokers is running. So right now we're just waiting for a signal to go off. That's what it'll look like. A couple advanced features here. You say you want to have your second contract set to break even after the first target's hit. Well, you can go break even plus 1 tick, plus 2 ticks. Just depends how many ticks your first target's set at. If your first target is only 1 point, then you're not going to want to set this to 4 ticks because you're going to get stopped out immediately. If you put it at 2 ticks, then it's cutting it kind of close. If you have a 2-point target on your first contract, then putting a 2-point plus 2 point on the break even for the second contract is it's a pretty decent trade I've been doing lately. So you're guaranteed to get at least 2 ticks even if the position does reverse on you after your first target's hit. You can make new strategies, basically just change all of these settings around based on what you think the day is going to be like. You can click the dome. You can do discretionary trades. Nice feature here is also the feature tester, where you can do what-if scenarios. I might get a buy signal here, so I'm going to keep it running here for a little bit. Let's take a look at IB. I'm going to have IB set up here. With IB, you can detach this page. I'll make a new page. IB, call this API. Actually, there's going to be a new page that's going to form when the Bracket Trader receives the order and sends it to IB. IB is going to make its new a new page called API. It'll automatically come up. Let's make a page called HPT. All right. Detach that page. Okay. Add a symbol there. 2008. All right. Kind of just wait for a signal to go off here. You don't need to have this this window up. You can minimize it and it'll be fine. Once it hits the order, alright, there it goes. It's got an order entry there. Bought two up market on the Perl script. Take a look at IB. Just went long 2. You see the stop orders are sent in, and also the limit orders are sent in. First target is 24.75, and the second target's 25.75. It's got a buy order right there. Take a look at Bracket Trader. Went long 2. Average price is 922.75, and we have a 2-point stop on both contracts. You can look at this a little bit more detailed on your Dome Trader. See the stops here at 920.75, and then our first target's at 924.75.